Welcome to Xeon NC, your digital manufacturing solution. We provide a wide array of manufacturing technologies, including sheet metal laser cutting and bending, CNC milling, and high-end 3D printing. Our instant web quoting service is free of charge. Simply create an account and then select the file you want to get a quote for. Accepted files are STL, STP, STEP, and ZIP. Once you upload your file, you'll be able to view your part in 3D, just like you would in a 3D CAD software. You can even pick different viewing options. On both the left and right menus, you can select the quantity of parts and choose the material you'd like the part to be made from. Our system performs a design validation on your part, so there's no need to specify the material thickness. We can extract this information directly from your file. Next, you can choose surface treatment options, such as edge rounding, if needed. Under the advanced settings, you can also select the cutting quality for your parts. We offer cutting technologies using nitrogen, oxygen, and shop air. In the bending menu, you can view important details like the bending angle and length, and even see where the bends are located on your part. In the hole options menu, you can view crucial information such as the number of holes and their diameters. You can also specify the processes for each hole, whether you want them drilled, tapped, laser cut, or laser marked. Additionally, you can select finishing operations, such as countersinking. In the Documents tab, you can upload technical documents to ensure your parts are made to specifications. Feel free to leave any notes for our programming technicians, and just like that, you're ready to calculate your parts. This is where Xeon NC's validation for design for manufacturability takes place to ensure that the parts can be produced. It's also where the cost of making the parts is generated. This process is completed in seconds, with thousands of calculations being performed. The checkout process is simple. Set your shipping option and enter your shipping and billing information. Next, move on to the date and price selection. Here, you can choose from different shipping dates, with options like long-term, standard, express, and super express, each at varying costs. If you don't need your parts immediately, select our economical long-term option. For urgent projects requiring immediate parts, opt for our super express option for those mission-critical projects. Finally, get an overview of your project with all the important details. You can even download a PDF for your documentation needs. Select the payment option you prefer and proceed to checkout. Congratulations! Your order has been submitted to Xeon's Smart Factory. We look forward to working on your project. No project is too small or too big. Thank you for choosing Xeon NC for your project.